Assalamu alaikum. We hear in Islam about being kind to kittens, meaning cats, to dogs, to animals, to birds, and being kind to all the creatures of the Almighty. But how many of us are actually kind to our own children, to our siblings, to our family members, to our parents, to our brothers and sisters, as I say, siblings? How many of us are actually kind to one another? How many of us say good words to each other? Remember, as much as we should be kind to all the other creatures of the Almighty, primarily, charity begins at home. So that kindness should start with humankind, starting with your own family members and then everyone else. Sometimes we see people who are so kind to the dogs and the pigs that you have human beings who wish that they were dogs and pigs so that they could be treated kindly. Obviously, that's quite silly. But I've heard someone say, I wish I was a dog so that I could be treated that way, meaning so kindly. And I say, we should never wish that we were dogs or pigs, but we understand that the whole reason why this is said is so that people can treat human beings better than they treat animals. And I'm not saying don't treat animals well, but I'm just helping you to learn how to prioritize. So each time you have a pet and each time you're so engrossed in that animal, remember, if you are unkind to your fellow human beings, you have lost the prioritization taught by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Some people are nasty with their own children, yet they're kind to the animals. Some people cannot even greet their own brothers and sisters, but they look after the birds and the fish, and so on. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala strengthen us. Always remember, charity begins at home. The danger of treating a fellow human being in an abusive way or in a wrong way is very, very serious. So my brothers and sisters, let's change that inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.